Welcome back to Betty's channel, guys. She's doing the do as always. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Drop a comment below, tell us how we're doing on Betty Mark 2. Just checking if the floor's dried alright overnight, and it has. So, next job is a bit more cleaning. So we'll just turn you around. And there you go. Clean wheel arches, paint them, clean all the dust off, and then tackle the shelf at the back. Someone wants to get in on the picture.
Hello.
That's Chrissy Detects. Go on, we're live now.
We're not live.
We are live.
No, we're not live.
We're live.
Get over.
We're live.
Get over yourself.
Alright, we're not live. Anyway, yeah, so she's dried over now, okay. So next task, like I said, a bit more cleaning, a bit more painting the wheel arches, fill the holes with Sikaflex. Floor's done. I'm going to get some carpet off her. Ashley and Amy's house have just been carpeted, so they've got some spare carpet, so I'm going to nick that, put it on the floor to protect it while I'm standing on it working on the rest of it. Biggest job is the shelf at the back. That needs thinners on it. You know, she always says to me, don't film too close. And what's she doing?
I'm all short and briny. Brighty.
Gusset fresh?
Good.
You mean shine and bright?
It's morning, I'm going to work. I don't look haggard, do I? As much.
No, they're beautiful. What's going on with them? What are we doing with them?
Are you going in, Betty?
Which one?
Well, I'm going to go in this one, are they?
No, not yet, because she's not ready. Check us back in the open take there. Never mind that. I'll edit that bit. One of the things that might annoy some people, including me, is the gear knob. The markings aren't in the right place. And no matter which way I screw it on, I can't get it to look like that. So what I want to do, I'm just going to drill a small hole in the collar and just put a screw in just to secure it to the gear stick. And hopefully that'll work. Like I said, it'll more annoy some people. Just make it a bit more aesthetically pleasing. And this is what we do. Alright. You break a drill. Drill number 2. That's going in. I'll come back to you when it's done. As you can see, the hole's drilled there, and it goes through both sections. So I should be able to get a screw through it, through there, and it goes onto the gear stick. Let's see. Right, so I found a screw that will go through to the gear stick. It's in my little box of 100 screws. So I'm just going to screw it on now and see if it works. Well, that's on. I had to adjust it slightly by backing it off because it wouldn't go into reverse because you lift. That's first, second. Where it hits that there, that's reverse. So yeah, guess it looks nice. It's just the little things. Like the new wind deflectors. Simple, stylish, cheap. Just like me. Hey. We're back on Betty 2. All the floor is now dry from red oxide. So I just need to fill the holes with Sikaflex. Then I can do a bit more cleaning, paint the wheel arches. And then there's little bits and pieces I need to sort out, like the number plate lamps, the high level brake light. Can you see that? Up there, yeah, that one there, that needs renewing. And I've got an LED replacement, so that's just a case of that grey connector there with a black bulb in it, the blown bulb. That's the brake light wire feed, so I can just add to that. That's not a problem. I've also got to renew the both lenses because they're cracked, which I've got. I'm probably going to need some new bolts for them. But yeah, overall she's coming on, and then I think before the actual build can start, I need to really clean that shelf with thinners and get it sparkling so I can start to store stuff up there for the build, little bits and pieces that I bought off eBay. And I've got to sort all this wiring out, take the lights down, sort the vent out, give it a good clean. So yeah, we're cracking on. I'm pleased the front end's done. I've sorted that gear knob out as you saw in the last video. That's now straight and stuff. And I've also noticed that in fact I will show you. I noticed that the fan belt was looking a bit cracked in places. So I've ordered a new fan belt. I spoke to a mechanic friend who said it's really easy to do. I'm presuming I'll have to take the fan off, but I'll look on YouTube at how to do it. But yeah, I don't really want to drive it on the road until that's renewed. I don't know when it was last done. So yeah, so that's on its way to me. That's my job to do. But overall, Betty 2's coming on nicely. Yeah. So, keep watching, thanks very much. Oh, the other thing I need to renew is this rear rubber, which is a bit damaged in places. So I think on Betty 1's, one of their videos, I've said before, I've used jumbo rubbers off Amazon. They're £5 a metre, so this will be a good few metres. But yeah, that's another essential renewal, and then I can start to tidy up a bit. I am going to get some sound deadening sticking stuff for these. One of them's going to be a wind. We'll get there. We'll get there, guys. We'll get there. So, see you in a bit. Right, I've scraped off all the sticky shit, whatever that was, as best I could, which has brought off some of the sound deadener. Giving it a good sweep, so I'm going to give it a good wipe with thinners. Then I'm going to go on eBay or Amazon, see if I can find some really cheap sound deadener and just cover the whole area, and then that's clean again. Fingers crossed anyway. Proper dirty minging. That rag used to be blue. Right, so that's cleaned up really well. I'm just going to leave it to dry and sweep off the excess, and then that's that shelf done. A lot better than just sound deadening. So that'll be a lot cleaner and a bacteria free. Sorted. I'm going to start in this corner for cleaning. Work my way around. So I'm leaving the shelf to dry, so I'm going to sweep it out. Back along there and to that side. That's a bit different already. I'll get a bit of thinners on the thicker stuff, but yeah. It's going to clean up alright. I probably didn't need to go to all them lengths to get it clean, but I've done bits of the roof and these ribs. Just makes it look a lot better. Got a roof right down there yet. And then clean wheel arch. It's coming together slowly. Right, so the wheel arch is painted with red oxide to protect them. So I'll leave that to dry. Once that's dry, all the other extending holes I'm going to fill in with Sikaflex. So the next job is, let's have a look at the these back lights and see what the new ones are going to look like. There's just these two little plastic nuts that secure the light in. That's the old one out. This is the bulb bar. I have to get reversing lamp's a bit milky. I might just get a fresh set of bulbs for it. Stop and tail light bulb. So yeah, and all this DIY wiring here is for the tow bar, I think, where they've spliced into wires. But yeah, let's have a look at a new one. So there's a bloody glass down there, whether you can see it or not. All tucked down there. However, it won't get that far though. So I'm going to flexi hose hoover and try again. That's a new one with the protective cover on, and that's the old one, all cracked and stuff. So it's the same lamp, which I'm pleased about. So I just have to get some orange bulbs. I have to get some new plastic nuts, or put metal ones on because they aren't even grabbing the thread, which is nice. I'm actually going to make mill nuts now. But see. New backlights are in. The side lights aren't working on the driver's side, so I need to find out why that is. And I can't get the reversing lamps to work. But that could be something to do with the reversing camera and the wire that I took out. So I'll have a play with that another time. So I'm going to do the number plate lamps and the little brake lamp. Just feeding the brake lamp wire through with an old coat hanger, taped to the new wire. That's the way we do it. Right, just to recap today, I've painted the wheel arches on 2, they're done. Put the new high level LED brake light on, which is working, number plate lamps, which are working, that near side rear light, they're all working apart from the reversing light, and the offside rear light, everything's working apart from the reversing light and the side light. So I need to figure out what's going on with that. I'll test the brake lamps when Chrissy comes home. Yeah, that's it for today. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks everyone for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, give us a like, give us a subscribe, drop a comment down below and see how we're doing. Overall, do what you do, and we'll see you very soon.